Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th Standard Max State Board Chapter 9, Exercise 9.8, ninth sum. The curve y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 as a minimum point at P. A point Q on the curve is such that the slope of PQ, when the area bounded by the curve and the chord PQ. First, we should find out the point, minimum point. Minimum point, we already studied in the seventh chapter itself. How we can find out the minimum point? First, you can take it as this equation y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to twice twice into 2 times x minus 2 into power 1 plus 1 become constant. Again dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx equal to 0. 2 into x minus 2 equal to 0. Then x minus 2 equal to 0, because the 2 you can bring it to the right hand side, it becomes 0. X value equal to 2 is the critical point. X equal to 2 is the critical point. Then dy by, again you have to differentiate this value. D square y by dx square. D square y by dx square equal to, you have to differentiate this value, 2 into 1 minus 0, because 2 is constant. So d square y by dx square equal to 2. It is greater than 0. So it is maximum. It is minimum at x equal to 2. It is minimum at x equal to 2. Then you should find out the point. You can substitute the point in y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. You can substitute the value x equal to 2, y equal to 2 minus 2 the whole square plus 1, y equal to 1. So what is the minimum point? Minimum point equal to equal to 2 comma 1. Minimum point is what? 2 comma 1. So slope of q, it's already given. Slope of q value is given as what? 2. The slope of pq is 2. So you can take it as slope at q. Slope at q. Slope at q equal to m equal to, slope at q equal to m equal to 2. That is m value they have given as what? Slope value they have given as 2. Then you can find out the equation of the line, because they are telling about the chord. PQ is nothing but a chord. Chord PQ. Chord PQ is nothing but a line. So equation of PQ. Equation of line PQ. PQ equal to, what is the equation? Y minus y1 equal to y equal to 2x. Chord equation of PQ, y equal to 2x plus c. That is y equal to mx plus c formula. Y equal to mx plus c formula. Y equal to mx plus c form. So y equal to, slope equal to 2x plus c. Passing through the point. Passing through the point, we should find out the c value. Passing through the point 2 comma 1. Passing through the point. Passing through the point. 2 comma 1. Passing through the point 2 comma 1. So you can substitute and find the value of c. 1 equal to 2 into 2 plus c. So c value equal to 1 minus 4 equal to C equal to minus 3. So that equation of line PQ equal to Y equal to 2x minus 3. You can take it as this equation as 2 and this equation as 1. Equate 1 and 2 and get the intersecting point. So x minus equating 1 and 2, equate 1 and 2, equate 1 and 2. So x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. So x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1 minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. X square minus 6x, x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. X square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Sum equal to minus 6 and product equal to 8. Sum equal to minus 6 and product x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Sum equal to minus 6 and product equal to 8. 8, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, minus 4 minus 2. So x minus 4 into x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 4 comma 2, x equal to 4 comma 2. If x equal to 4, what about the y value? Y equal to x equal to 4, y value equal to 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 1. Y equal to 4 plus 1, 5. Y equal to 4 plus 1, 5. If x equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 2 minus 2 the whole square plus 1, y equal to 1. So the points are, the point of intersection are, so the point of intersection are plus 1, the point of intersection, the point of intersection are what is that, 4 comma 5 and 4 comma 5 and 2 comma 1, 4 comma 5 and 2 comma 1. See here, you can draw the diagram. It is open upward curve, it is open upward curve, that is y equal to x minus 2 the whole square, x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. It is a open upward curve, so you can mark the point 1. Here you can take it as 5, 1 2 3 4 5, then 0 here, 1 2 3 4 etc, 1 2 3 4 etc. So the curve is like this, the curve is like this, curve, open upward curve, open upward curve. X minus 2, put y equal to 0, where it can intersect we can find out. Put y equal to 0, x minus 2 the whole square equal to, see, put y equal to 0, x minus 2 the whole square equal to 0, taking square root on. See here, the curve is open upward curve, intersecting point is open upward curve, intersecting point open upward curve, because y equal to open upward curve. You can see the chord value is pq, chord is pq. 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 5, 4 comma 5. So this is the chord, this is the chord pq, this is the chord pq. So you should find out this intersecting area, this intersecting area. See here, see the diagram once again, see the diagram once again. See here, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, 1 5 1 2 3 4 origin. Okay, so the curve is like this, the curve is like this, 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 5. So you can draw the chord. You can draw the chord like this. So this is the line PQ. So this bounded region you should find out. The bounded region should find out the value, the bounded region. So area bounded by the curves. Area bounded by the curves. Area bounded by the curves. Area bounded by the curves equal to, the limit is 2 to 4. I told you very clearly, whenever line and curve comes, you can write line minus curve. So here y1 means line. Y1 means line and y2 means curve. Y1 means line and y2 means curve. Y2 means curve. Y1 means line and y2 means curve. So area equal to, area equal to integral 2 to 4, integral 2 to 4. So line is nothing but what, 2x minus 3. Line is 2x minus 3. Line value is, curve is x minus 2 the whole square plus 1, minus of x minus 2 the whole square, minus of x minus 2 the whole square, minus of x minus 2 the whole square plus 1, plus 1 into dx. So integral 2 to 4, 2x minus 3 minus x minus 2 the whole square minus 1 into dx, minus 1 into dx. So the next value, see here, integral 2 to 4, integral 2 to 4, integral 2 to 4, 2x minus 4, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, minus x minus 2 the x minus 1 the whole square, sorry, minus x minus 2 the whole square into dx. Now we can integrate that value by, integrate that value. What is that? X square. See, 2 into x become x square by 2 minus 4x minus, because here x power is 1, so x minus 2 the whole cube by 3. X minus 2 the whole cube by 3, because x power is 1. The limit is 2 to 4. The limit is 2 to 4. Here 2 to get cancel. So you can apply the upper limit minus lower limit. What is the upper limit? 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 4 minus 2 the whole cube by 3. Upper limit. Upper limit minus lower limit is 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 2 minus 2 the whole cube. 2 minus 2 the whole cube by 3. Lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So it gives 16 minus 16, 16 minus 16 minus 2 cube. 2 cube is what? Minus 2 cube is 8 by 3, because 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 cube. Here 4 minus 8 minus 2 minus 2 is 0. 16, 16 get cancel. So what is the value here? Minus 8 by 3, minus 8 by 3 minus 8 by 3 minus 4, minus of minus 4. So minus 8 by 3 plus 4, minus 8 by 3 plus 4 minus 8 plus 12 by 3. It gives 4 by 3 square units. 4 by 3 square units. See the 10th sum. Find the area of the region common to the circle x square plus y square equal to 16 and the parabola y square equal to 6x, and the parabola y square equal to 6x. First you should find out the intersecting point. It's a very important sum, important board question. X square plus y square equal to 16. Then y square equal to 6x. You can substitute y square equal to 6x in this equation. This is 1 and this is 2. So x square plus 6x equal to 16. X square plus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. Sum equal to 6, product equal to minus 16. Minus 16, 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. So 8 minus 2. So x plus 8. X plus 8 into x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to minus 8 comma 2. X equal to minus 8 comma 2. Y square equal to 6x. Y square equal to 6x. Minus 8 we cannot take because the negative value. So you can take it as x equal to minus 8 not valid because we cannot take that value. So you can take that value of 2 alone. So y square equal to 6 into 2. Y square equal to 12. Y equal to root of 4 threes are 12. Y equal to plus or minus 2 root 3. Y equal to plus or minus 2 root 3. So the point of intersection, the point of intersection, the point of intersection is, the point of intersection is 2 comma 2 root 3, 2 comma 2 root 3 and 2 comma minus 2 root 3, 2 comma minus 2 root 3. So you can draw the circle, you can draw the circle because x square plus y square, you can draw the circle. X square plus y square equal to 16, you can draw the circle. X square plus y square equal to 16, you can draw the circle. The see, x square plus y square equal to x square plus y square equal to 16. That is radius r square equal to 16, r equal to 4. So 0 to 4. The radius is 0 to 4. Then y square equal to 6x. Y square equal to 6x is a open rightward curve. Y square equal to 6x is a open rightward curve. So the intersecting point is 2 comma 2 root 3, 2 comma 2 root 3, and this point is 2 comma minus 2 root 3, and the point is 2 comma minus 2 root 3, and x equal to, this is x equal to 2, this is x equal to 2. So we should find out this common area. You should find out this common area because one is overlapping the other. The circle is overlapping the parabola. The circle is overlapping the parabola. So area of the, so you can twice the area. The circle is overlapping the parabola. So common area we should find out. Common area means you can add. So area of the region, area of the region, area of the region, area of the region bounded by the curve, area of the region bounded by the curves, area of the region bounded by the curves, area of the region bounded by the curves equal to twice area lies in the first quadrant. Area lies on the first quadrant. Area lies on the first quadrant. What are the areas lies on the first quadrant? See here, area lies on the first quadrant. It is nothing but twice integral. The limit is 0 to 2. 0 to 2. The limit 0 to 2. This limit 0 to 2. 0 to 2. It is nothing but a curve. It is nothing but a, it is nothing but a parabola. Parabola is y square equal to, y square equal to 6x, y square equal to 6x, y equal to root 6. y equal to root 6 into x power 1 by 2. Root x, you can take it as x power 1 by 2. So root 6 into x power 1 by 2 into dx plus integral 2 to 4. Integral 2 to 4. This area circle. So 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is x square plus y square equal to 2 to 4 x square plus y square equal to 16. X square plus y square equal to 16. Y square equal to 16 minus x square. Y equal to root of 16 minus x square. Y equal to root of 16 minus x square into dx. This is also twice into. So it gives, you can take it as 2 into, commonly you can take the values, 2 into root 6 into x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. What is the limit? The limit is 0 to 2. The limit is 0 to 2. The limit is 0 to 2. Here you can take the formula, that is a by x by 2. X value a by 2, a by 2, a by 2. See here, up x by 2, root of a square minus x square, x by 2, x by 2, x by 2, root of x square, a square minus x square plus a square by 2, a square by 2, sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a is x by 4. Sine inverse of x by a is x by 4. The limit is what? 2 to 4. The limit is 2 to 4. You know the formula, root of a square minus x square is x by 2, root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2, sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a. See here, you can substitute the upper limit. 2 you can take it as commonly out. 2 you can take it as commonly out. Root 6, you can root 6 into see x power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. See the limit. Limit is 0 to 2. Limit is 0 to 2. The limit is 0 to 2 plus plus x by 2, root of x by 2, root of 16 minus x square plus a square by 2. 16 by 2, sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a. So the limit is sine inverse of x by a. The limit is 2 to 4. The limit is 2 to 4. See, upper limit minus lower limit. 2 into 2 into root 6 into 2 by 3. Root 6 into 2 by 3, you can substitute the upper limit. 2 power 3 by 2 minus 0 plus, see here, you can substitute the upper limit. 4 by 2 into root of 16 minus 16 plus 16 by 2 is nothing but what? 8 into sine inverse of 4 by 4. Sine inverse of 4 by 4. Upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is 2 by 2. Lower limit is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 root of 16 minus 4. 2 by 2 root of 16 minus 4 plus 8 into sine inverse of 2 by 4. Sine inverse of 2 by 4. So what is the value for this? Twice into 2 times, twice in 2 times root 16. 2 root 16, 2 root 6 by 3. 2 root 6 by 3. That 2 power 3 by 2 you can write it as 2 root 2. 2 power 3 by 2 you can make it as 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 by 2. If the bases are same, you can add the powers. So 2 root 2. Here this term becomes 0 plus 8 into sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2 because 4 get cancelled. That one value sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Here minus 2 get cancelled, root 12, root 12 minus into plus minus root 12 minus 8 into sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 times 2 times sine inverse of 1 by 2 is nothing but what? Pi by 6. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 6. See, see here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 root 6, 2 root 6 into, once again I will write 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 plus 8 into pi by 2, 8 into pi by 2 minus root 12 minus 8 into minus 8 into pi by 6, minus 8 into pi by 6. See here, 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 fours are the same way, 4 twos are 3 twos are. So the value is 2 into 2 into 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. So that root 6 you can write it as 2 into root 3 into root 2 into 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 by 3 plus 4 pi plus 4 pi minus this one is 4 threes are 12 minus 4 pi minus 4 pi by 3 minus 4 pi by 3. See, 2 twos are 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So what is the value? 8 root 3 by 3. 8 root 3 by 3 plus 4 pi plus 4 pi minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 4 pi by 3 minus 4 pi by 3 minus 4 pi by 3. So it gives 2 into 2 into 8 root 3 by 3 minus 8 root 3 by 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 4 pi minus 4 pi by 3 minus 4 pi by 3. You can take the LCM. See here, 2 into 2 into 8 root 3. 8 root 3 minus 6 root 3 by 3. 8 root 3 minus 6 3 2 so 6 root 3 by 3 plus the same way plus 12 pi plus 12 pi minus 4 pi by minus 4 pi by 3. 12 pi 4 4 threes are 12 pi minus 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. So it gives 2 into, it gives 2 into 2 root 3 by 3. 2 root 3 by 3 plus 8 pi by 3 plus 8 pi by 3. 3 you can take it out. 2 by 3 you can take it out. Then 2 also, 2 by 3 you can take it as 2 root 3 plus 8 pi. 2 root 3 plus 8 pi. 2 is also common. You can take it out. 2 twos are 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 4 pi. 4 pi plus root 3. 4 pi plus root 3 square units. 4 pi plus root 3 square units. It's a very important sum. I hope you understood, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.